Hello friends, myself Vivek Golkar, Assistant Professor, Science of Technology, Ichelgarhi. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about finding the conjugate function u and v, u minus v and u plus v. So let us see one example. If u minus v is equal to x minus y into bracket x square plus 4xy plus y square and here f of z is equal to u plus I into v is an analytic function of z is equal to x plus I into y, then we have to find or we have to express f of z in terms of z. So this is our question. So here if u minus v is given, then we have to find u plus v, and if u plus v is given, then we have to find u minus v, and then you have to express the given function in terms of z. Solution: here f of z is equal to u plus I into v. So I will take this one as equation number 1. So now what I do? So I will multiply I to equation number 1. Multiplying I to equation number 1. So this becomes equation number 1 becomes I into f of z plus I into u. If I multiply I here, I into I become I square is minus 1, so this becomes v only, that is minus v. Now what I do? I will add equation number 1 and 2. So adding 1 and equation number 2. So adding LHS separately and adding RHS separately, I will get here f of z plus I into f of z is equal to u plus iv plus I into u minus v. So here I is common, f of z is common, remaining is 1 plus I into f of z is equal to u minus v. I will take one bracket, and here I is common. If I take I as common, so this one is what? U plus v. So now we can see here, this is what real part and this one is what imaginary part. Here this u minus v is given, obviously we have to find u plus v. So for my convenience, I will take here. So I will take this one as capital F of z is equal to, so I will take this one as u, that is real part. I will take this one as capital U. So this is imaginary part, that is capital V. So I will take this one as some equation number 1. So here this u is given, that is u minus v, and you have to find v, that is u plus v. So here u is equal to u minus v, which is equal to, so I will simplify this one, x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. So therefore u is equal to, if I multiply x here, this becomes x cube plus 4x square y plus x y square minus x square y minus 4x y square plus into minus y cube. So this is what u. So again, already in my previous video we have seen how to find v when u is given. So I will take this one as or first I will find derivative of this one, dou u upon dou x. Dou u upon dou x, differentiating this u partially with respect to x. I will get here 3x square plus 8xy plus y square minus 2xy minus 4y square, and derivative of y cube is what here? 0. So derivative of x cube is 3x square, x square is 2x, this becomes 8xy, derivative of x is 1, remaining is y square, derivative of x is 2x, remaining right, I will write y as it is, and derivative of this one is 4y square. Similarly, so I will differentiate u with respect to y. So derivative of first term is 0, derivative of second one is 4x square, then derivative of xy square is 2xy minus derivative of x square y is x square minus derivative of 4xy square is 8xy, and derivative of y cube is minus 3y square. So once again I will put here x cube is 0, 4x square y, so this becomes 4x square, xy square, so this becomes 2xy, x square y, derivative of y is 1, remaining x square I will write as it is, 4xy square, so this becomes 8xy square, sorry 8xy, and last one is 3y square. Now I will simplify this one. So now to find v, so here I will apply total differentiation formula. So that is d of v is equal to dou v upon dou x into dx plus dou v upon dou y into dy. So I will take this one as some equation number 4. Now, so already they have given the function f of z is analytic function, so it satisfies the CR equation given f of z is analytic, so therefore it satisfies the CR equation. Their equations are satisfied. Their equations are satisfied. So that is dou u upon dou x is equal to dou v upon dou y, and dou u upon dou y is equal to minus dou v upon dou x. So what I do here, so I will replace dou v by dou x by dou u upon dou y with minus sign, and dou v by dou y by dou u upon dou x. So therefore equation number 4 becomes d of v is equal to minus dou u upon dou y into dx plus dou v upon dou y, that is dou u upon dou x into dy. So I take this one as some equation number 1. So now I will replace the value of dou u upon dou x and dou u upon dou y in equation number 5. So therefore equation number 5 becomes d of v is equal to minus, so I write minus as it is, dou u upon dou y, that is 4x square plus 2xy minus x square minus 8xy minus 3y square into dx plus dou u upon dou x. So this is 3x square, 2x square, minus x square, minus x square, minus 3y square. Now dou u upon dou x is 3x square plus 8xy plus y square minus 2xy minus 4y square into 3y. So I need this u value. So I will write somewhere else here. So here, so u is equal to, so I need this one. So for that I am writing this one. U is equal to here x cube plus 4x square y, 4x square y plus xy square plus xy square minus x square y minus 4xy square minus y cube. So x cube 4x square y, xy square minus x square y minus 4xy minus y cube. So now dv is equal to, so I will take this minus inside the bracket. So this becomes minus 4x square minus 2xy plus x square plus 8xy plus 3y square into dx plus 3x square plus 8xy plus y square minus 2xy minus 4y square into d. So now this one is what? Equation number 6. So now the equation number 6 is what here? Exact differential equation. Therefore I will find solution of this one. So here equation number 6 is exact. Its solution is given by, its solution is given by, its solution is given by integration of this dv which is equal to, now so this is what here m, so this one is m and this whole thing is what n. So integration of m into dx, integration of m into dx, here m is minus 4x square minus 2xy plus x square plus 8xy plus 3y square into dx. So this is what here m into dx. So the condition is like this, we have to take y as constant plus integration of terms in n which are free from x. So the first term is not free from x, second is also not free from x, third y square is free from x, then again this 2xy is not free from x, remaining is minus 4 y square into dy plus integration constant c. So this implies integration of dv is what here? V is equal to integration of x square is x cube upon 3, x cube upon 3 minus integration of x square, x is x square upon 2 to get cancelled, remaining is here x square y plus integration of x square is x cube then integration of x is x square upon 2, so its remaining is 4x square y plus integration of 3y square is 3x y square. So this is what y square minus 4y square is what here minus 3y square. Integration of y square is y cube upon 3, so remaining is what here y cube plus c. So here I have done a small mistake. Integration of x square is what x cube upon 3. So once again I will repeat, x square, integration of x square is x cube upon 3 with minus 4. Integration of x is x square upon 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, remaining is x square y. Integration of x square is x cube upon 3. Integration of x square is x is what x square upon 2. So this becomes 4x square y, and integration of 3y square is 3x y square minus y cube plus c. So this is, so now I will simplify this one. V is equal to, so here, so if I add this one, here LCM is 3, so minus 4x cube plus x cube become minus 3x cube upon 3 is what? Minus x cube. So this is what? Minus x cube. Plus, so here 4x square y minus x square y is what? 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube plus c. So this is our v. That is nothing but u plus v. So now the second part of the question is what? We have to express this in terms of f of in terms of z only. So therefore, we know that f of z is equal to u plus I into v. So therefore, f of z is equal to, here u is, this capital U is x cube plus 4x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus 4xy square minus y cube plus I into, so v is here minus x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube plus c. So now I will simplify this one. So we know that, so I have replaced 1 plus I into f of z as capital F of z. So again I will write this one as 1 plus I into f of z. So this capital F of z indicates 1 plus I into f of z. So this implies x cube plus 4 x square y plus xy square minus x square y so instead of that one, what I do here, x cube 4x square y minus x square y, so this becomes plus 3x square y, then minus 4xy square plus xy square is what? Minus 3x y square minus y cube plus I into, so I will multiply this I, so this becomes, first term becomes minus I into x cube plus I into 3x square y plus I into 3x y square minus I into y cube plus I into 6. So now I will express this in terms of z. So this equation involved cubic power of x and y. So therefore, so I will use the relation. So we know that z is equal to what? X plus I into y. If I take z cube, so this becomes x plus I into y whole cube. So if I simplify this one by using a plus b whole cube formula, so I will get here a cube plus 3a square b, that is I, 3a square b. 3a square is x square, b is I into y, plus 3a b square. So I square is minus 1, so remaining is y square, plus b cube, the value of I cube is minus I. So this becomes minus y. So as per this one, now I will arrange the term 1 plus I into f of z is equal to, here I am having the x cube. So first I will write one x cube, then I 3xy square. So I have here I have I 3xy square plus I 3x square y. Then I need minus 3xy square. So that is also, we have minus 3x y square. Then minus I y cube, minus I y cube. So now we will write remaining terms in another bracket. So plus, so remaining is here minus x y cube, the first term, then 3 x square y minus, this is second term, then plus I 3x y square. So this one is the third term. Last one is minus y cube plus I into c. So 1 plus I into f of z. So this is nothing but x plus iy whole cube. So now this is not in the form of x plus iy whole cube. For that what I do here? So I will multiply by I and I will divide by I. So I will write I as it is here. I will write I as it is. So I and I get cancelled. Remaining is what here? X cube. Here I will get 1 upon I. The value of 1 upon I is minus I 3x square y. Again here I and I will cancel, plus 3x y square. So again 1 upon I is minus I y cube plus I into c. So 1 plus I into f of z. So this is nothing but z cube. Here I will take minus sign common, minus I into x cube plus I 3x square y minus 3x y square minus plus y cube. Sorry, here minus is there, so this become minus. I have taken common. If I take minus common, x cube, so this become positive, this become negative, so this become negative. So last one is what here? So here it is already minus y cube. Again I have done small mistake, minus y cube. If I take 1 upon y cube, so this become plus. So now this become minus I y cube plus I into c. So 1 plus I into f of z cube minus I into, so again it is in the form of x plus iy cube. So 1 plus I into f of z cube minus I into z cube plus I into c. So that is 1 plus I together. Here z cube is common, 1 minus I, 1 plus IC. So therefore f of z is equal to, dividing by 1 plus I will get here 1 minus I upon 1 plus I into z cube plus I upon 1 plus I into c. Even though we can simplify this one, so here we can remove the 1 plus I from the denominator. So in this video we have seen how to find the conjugate function u minus v and u plus v. If u minus v is given, then we have to find u plus v and vice versa. Thank you.